One problem that we were facing, that a number of other teams were facing also when we first started exploring this product, was constantly mixing personal accounts or personal wallets with team wallets. And this is quite common in the space because managing a multitude of wallets is complicated and frankly pretty risky. And so with this product, our approach is to actually change the mental model from all team members should have an Ethereum account when they join your team to creating those accounts as a team. And so if I go to invite a member, I could like Abram plus test 234 at splits.org, and I can choose what role they want. When I go and send that invite, they will receive an invitation to join the team, much like they would a GitHub, Figma, Notion invitation. And then once they accept the invite, they will go through the onboarding flow, they'll add passkeys, and then we can make them signers on these accounts. We can spin up new accounts, we can modify the existing accounts. And so it changes the dynamic from saying, hey, every team member needs to secure their own private key and have their own wallet that might hold company funds but might also own personal assets, into really just you get invited via your email and you create these like joint accounts that are associated with the team, and there's no more commingling of personal assets and company assets.